Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we studied in reflection of light. What is mirror? Types of mirror: concave mirror, convex mirror. Then we studied the laws of reflection. We continue the same lesson. Next point: terms related to spherical mirror. Terms related to spherical mirror. In this, you see this is a sphere, and we make a mirror, a concave mirror from it. This point is called P. P means pole of the mirror. The distance between C and A, that is the radius. सर्कलची रेडियस असते तसेच सेंटर पासून वर्तुळापर्यंत अंतर. दिस C for center of the curvature, and this straight line is known as the principal axis, मुख्य अक्ष. आता in this spherical mirror, the terms, which terms? Pole. What is pole? Define pole. विचारलं. आता pole is the center of the mirror surface. This pole is center of mirror of sphere. हा center आहे. Pole is center of the mirror sphere. हा mirrorचा काय center आहे. That is called pole. Pole is center of the mirror sphere is called the pole. Simple definition. Then center of curvature. This center of curvature. The center of sphere. आता हा sphere आहे त्याचा center. Center of the sphere of which the mirror is a part is called the center of the curvature. What is the definition? Center of curvature. Center of a sphere. Center of sphere of which mirror is a part is called the center of the curvature of mirror. Then radius of the curvature. This radius of the sphere. Same radius. इथे सेंटर ऑफ द स्पियर बोलतो. इकडे काय बोलायचं? रेडियस ऑफ द स्पियर ऑफ विच द मिरर इज अ पार्ट इज कॉल्ड रेडियस ऑफ द कर्वेचर. सेंटर ऑफ द कर्वेचर मध्ये काय बोलतो? द सेंटर ऑफ द स्पियर of which the mirror is a part is called the center of the curvature, and radius of the curvature is the radius of the sphere of which a mirror is a part is called the radius of the curvature. Then principal axis. This is the principal axis. Straight line passing through the pole, and center of curvature is called the principal axis. Focal length. F is a focal length. This at the focal length, distance between the pole and center of the curvature is called the focal length. This distance between the pole and center of curvature is the focal length of the mirror. Then what is the principal focus? This is incident ray. What is this? This आपल्याला हा incident ray. आता incident ray fall on the concave mirror that is parallel to principal axis. When incident ray which are parallel to the principal axis of the concave mirror after reflection into reflection from the mirror meet at a particular point of the mirror on the front of the mirror is called the principal axis. That is F is called the principal focus. of the concave mirror. Simple definition. कुठल्या definition पहिले? Pole. What is pole? Define pole. Pole is the center of sphere is called the pole. Then center of the curvature. Center of sphere of which mirror is part is called the center of the curvature. Radius of curvature is the radius of sphere of which mirror is a part is called the radius of the curve. Then what is focal length? Focal is distance between the pole and center of curvature. Then principal axis. Principal axis is known as the straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole. Focal length. What is principal focus? Incident ray. This is seen in figure. Incident ray parallel to principal axis. तो क्या parallel principal? After reflecting mirror meets at a certain point in front of the mirror is called the principal focus. In this way, the terms related to spherical mirror. Suppose any terms asked in exam, you have to write down the definition of that particular terms. Pole, center of curvatures, radius of curvature, focal length, then principal focus. आता focal length काय असते? Half of the this radius of the curvature. Focal length काय असते? या radius च्या काय असते? half. See you next time.